Nagpaplano ka bang magpatayo ng iyong bahay pero hindi mo alam kung paano ito sisimulan? First step is to get an architect. Ang role ng isang architect is magplano and mag-design ng bahay mo. Sila ang right professionals for this project. Sila yung parang doctor or lawyer mo. Architects are consultant for the whole process, design to construction. Second step is to discuss with your architect yung required spaces, kung gaano kalaki yung bahay, kung ilang family members, ilang kotse, ilang kwarto, ilang kusina, ilang banyo. Disclaimer lang, yung wishlist mo is just the guide for the architect. Hindi lahat ma-include sa plan. Considerations, lot, kung kasya ba lahat ng spaces na gusto mo sa lote mo. Budget, how much are you willing to spend sa construction ng bahay mo. After malaman yung mga considerations and spaces, gagawa na si architect ng floor plan. Once na nakagawa na si architect ng plano, we will proceed with the 3D model design. Then, magdi-detail na si architect ng architectural working drawings, structural engineer for the structural plan, master plumber for plumbing and sanitary plan, electrical engineer for electrical plan. Pagkatapos ng architectural and engineering design, pwede na mag-print ng blueprint at sign and seal to ng mga professionals, bill of materials, technical specifications, PRC ID and latest PTR, and pwede na siyang isubmit for building permit and pag-ibig and bank loan requirements. After ma-approve ng permit, pwede ka na magpa-construct ng bahay mo. Follow for more tips.